Yeah, 1970 Dodge Killer Bee right here, Super Bee. So what we have is a genuine Super Bee 383 car. The guy put a 446 pack in there. It's a factory pistol grip 4-speed. Matter of fact, the transmission is number matched to this car. Original B5 blue car, rotisserie restored. The underneath is looking really slick. Same owner the last 25 years. Go to volocars.com. Salesman can help answer your questions. That's where you contact them. That's where you find price tags on 200 classic cars, all for sale with monthly finance options, including this one you'll find there. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, 1970 Super B. We're going to talk about the body. I remember I had to buy just these inserts years ago. It was like 900 bucks. I was like, oh my God. But it's all there and it's all in excellent shape. This hood lines up square and flush. I mean, like really exceptionally good. It's absolutely straight. Looking down the side, it is absolutely straight. All nice clean lines, all clean metal all the way to the bottom. I don't see any bubbles or damage or body work showing. It's all looking really good. Door opens easy, closes easy. Straight roof coming down the sail panels, quarter panels, all the way to the bottom, very bottom, all nice and straight, all clean, straight, nice gaps. Body and paint's looking really good, folks. No issues with that. You can see it's painted blue in the wheel wells, no undercoat. It's just all paint, all nice and clean. We'll talk about the underside in a little bit, but the floors are this nice too, and they're all painted a gloss B5 blue. Lines up real nicely. Shuts beautifully. Pretty good for a Mopar. Nothing down here. People ask, why do you touch it? I'm feeling it. Sometimes you feel a little bubble or bump that you don't always see, but it's smooth even along the bottoms. So repainted its original color, B5 blue, and it is slick as can be, smooth, shiny, glossy. I mean, it's wet sanded and buffed, better than your new car sitting in your driveway. I didn't notice any flaws, not to say there isn't one. Up front, the bumpers have been re-chromed. It all looks good. Even the middle part, you got the B. The grills are in excellent shape, has that nice little red detail. The rubber behind them's in really good shape. Original marker lights look to be good. Original antennas got a little freckling around the base. Windshield must be new, it's crystal clear. All this stainless trim looks to be good, original. Little freckling on the chrome frame, no bumps, you can't feel it, but some freckles. Door handles were replaced. This has the pop-out back windows. All looking good. Has the white bumblebee, Super Bee stripe. That's a decal. That just really makes it pop. Original tail lights in very good shape. Original panel. All that's very good. Not brand new, but really nice. Not beat up. Bumper has been re-chromed. Rear windows original. Just a few typical light scratches. 15-inch wheels. I can tell they're wider in back, or they look to be. Yeah, they are wider in back. All new trim. They're new wheels, reproduction with some big, meaty BFGoodrich tires on there, so that's looking really good. The mirror looks like it could be original. Got a little bit of pitting, and I'm being fussy. When I say a little bit of pitting, I mean it's a 7 out of 10. I don't mean it's junk. So the car is looking really sharp. Very desirable color. Why don't we open it up, show you that pistol grip in that 6-pack. All right, we have a nice complete trunk compartment. You can see under the trunk lid's painted up real slick. The latch looks new, sticker was replaced. Jams are painted up real nice, weather strip was replaced. It does have a trunk light button here. I don't see a light coming on, but it does have the feature. Complete jack and spare. You got a new mat. Original quarter panels, this old kind of ugly undercoat, that's so you didn't get dents on the outside of your quarter panel. So underneath the mat, it's actually very impressive. It's rock solid, all solid clean metal. It has surface rust. That happens, you get moisture under these mats, just condensation. If you live in a humid area, I'd take the mats out, but that's on the surface only. But you have original quarter panels and a completely rock solid trunk floor, all painted blue. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell icon so you're notified as the new ones are posted. We're doing test drives, showroom walkthroughs, lots of great cars. Door jambs are slick. The bottom of the doors are clean as a whistle. Weather strips are replaced. Latches look new. Now looking at the door panels, they're in very good shape. The top part of the door frame is painted black and the bottom. Armrests look good. So this has the rallye gauges. First of all, the wood grain, all that's real nice, but you see the tachometer. Clock is only right twice a day, but all this is actually in very good shape. Dash pad was replaced. Real nice, not beat up. It's an AM/FM radio. It whines when I turned it on. It wasn't playing music, but it turned on. Glove box light works. Here's our inspection that it went through in our shop. Owner's manual still in the pouch. New glove box liner. Nice kick panels. Nice Super B floor mats. Nice center console with working lights. And here's the star of the show, that pistol grip. When you grab onto that, it's just awesome with the Hurst handle. And it has the light that lights up to let you know it's in reverse. So very good original console. Bucket seats, obviously, they've been reupholstered. They look good. Backs of the seat are original, a couple little light scratches. The rear seat might be original. It looks like there's a little hole poked in it right there. But overall in very nice shape. Side panels are looking good. Headliner probably replaced because that looks excellent. Dome light works. Has all of its seat belts, shoulder belts, rear seat belts, got them all. A vanity mirror. Visors are looking good. The actual mirror inside looks really good. Steering wheel's excellent. It's not worn. It has no cracks in it. It's a really nice car. It has some original qualities like the back seat and a lot of the chrome trim and the dash. You can tell it's not been a beat up, abused car at all. Okay, so again, upgraded with a 446 pack. You get all three carburetors, all 6 barrels opened up, and this thing will rock and roll. It looks all stock, all the valve covers, manifolds, carburetors, air cleaner, it's all stock. Firewall components are all looking good. Mopar heater hoses, squirters are hooked up. The engine bay is really nice, clean metal. I'm getting the impression this is a really nice, dry metal car to start with. You got this washer bottle, you got the horns, hose clamps, you got the shroud. Everything's looking proper. Battery is secured. The original fender tag, I did decode it. It checks out per the car. All the components and bits and pieces are all looking good. The pulleys and master cylinder and under the hood's painted. Got some dirt that wipes off, but it's all painted up real nice. All right, let's talk about the underside. So getting back to what I was saying about the body, I truly believe this was a clean one to start with. The bottom lip of the door is just clean, and the floors we're about to talk about now, just spotless floors. The frame rails is so nice that it's all prepped and painted the same blue with a clear coat on it. It's really nice. And all the components look fresh under there. The steering and suspension front and back looks like it's been completely rebuilt, upgraded with Coney gas shocks. You can even see the rear leaf springs have new bushings. New factory type exhaust system with the crossover pipe and the chrome tips going out the back. It is drum brakes all the way around. They've been redone. All the lines and hoses replaced. E-brake assembly is all hooked up. Fuel system was replaced, the tank, the sending unit, the lines. Looking up at the motor, it's nice and clean. The starter looks fresh. Again, it has the numbers matching, VIN number match original 4-speed to this car. Looks clean. The shift linkage looks fresh. Um, Drive shaft looks like it's been rebuilt. Goes back to the 8 3/4 correct rear end. So under the car is really nice. Check out the pictures on our website. So you got a pretty hot tamale here. Go to volocars.com. That's where the salesman can be reached, and they'll help answer all your questions, including how to get this to your driveway delivered and how to get it financed. Thanks for watching.